Hi, Susie Valentine here. We live in Riverside, California, and we have an opossum in our backyard, and it's causing somewhat of a nuisance. So we called the Humane Society and asked them what to do. They said we can rent a cage, but they're on back order, so we can also buy one. So we contacted a few places. They range from $55 to $60. You should get the kind that is big enough for a raccoon. And we found it at Lowe's, and so we went and bought it today, and you can see it in the background. I'm going to bring it closer so you can take a good look. Here's the cage, and the opossum's supposed to go in, smell the freshly chopped head of a fish. Supposedly that's going to be the key ingredient to catch this opossum. They said to put it near where they usually come, which would be this bougainvillea tree. And we've been seeing him several nights in a row, and he keeps leaving us little surprises, which I will not show you the video of. You're welcome. Tune in and wish us luck. We're gonna catch an opossum tonight. So last night we were trying to catch an opossum, and look what we caught. I caught a tiger instead. I didn't even know they had these in Riverside. Wow, amazing. Okay, but tonight we are catching an opossum. Wish us luck. So tonight is night number 2, and we will catch the opossum tonight. I can just feel it. So the opossum's here, and he totally went by. So apparently fish heads work, because look at what we caught last night. Man, he's big. Time to call the Humane Society and get him out of our backyard. Success. Good night, Possum. Sleep well.